Mae'n anhygoel bod ni wedi cyrraedd y Cymru North o fewn 5 mlynedd o cychwyn yn ôl, really. Mae'n destun i'r bobl tu ôl y scenes sydd wedi bwysio'r clwb ymlaen mewn ffordd anhygoel. Wedi bildio fo fyny, da ni'n threifio bob man, really.
We were back where the old Rhyl were, as a captain, obviously. Proud to captain this in the hometown, and it's obviously back where we belong.
Fantastic for the club to get out of that Tier 3, and now we're looking forward to Tier 2.
I think we are good enough to get top half, but it's not guaranteed. Obviously, got to work hard.
Diolch yn mynd i fod yn hawl, ond mae gennym ni ffydd yn y hogia, mae gennym ni ffydd yn y management team.
We play each game as it comes. If we win, we move on to the next one. But at the end of the season, if we're in there round about the top 5 mark, yeah, we'll be very happy.
Ryl's a massive club. You know, they are a Welsh Prem club, but it's all about us. And obviously, we've had an enjoyable pre-season. And we've recruited quite well within the resources we've got.
Mae gen i lot o respect I Brickfield Club, so mae hon yn gen dda i achor tymor. A ddau o'n ni'n gallu judgeio lle da ni, really.
Immensely proud to be here today, immensely proud to be at this level, and we're just going to give it a good go.
Good to be back. It's been a while, been tough in the division below, but again it'll be tough this season because there's plenty of good teams, plenty of big names, and I think it's a really competitive league like that.
Our aim 5 years ago was always to get the club back into the Tier 2, and to actually do that last season has been fantastic. There's a bit of a buzz around.
Last season we lost quite a few players for starting. Anything can happen, but ideally just cement ourselves in the league, stay there, and then push on from there, hopefully.
It's been a close game. It hasn't been a thrilling game by any means. It's a shame we haven't got some goals at the moment in our favour. As long as the players are learning, the managers are learning, then we're always looking one game at a time. So we want to be up there challenging, and if we've got an opportunity to go into the top 3, and of course we're going to take it. So yeah, let's get to January first of all and see where we are.
Yeah, tough ball. Rhyl dominated the possession, but we looked dangerous on the counter-attack. And credit to my lads, they put a really good shift in. Don't think Robbie's made a save all game, so that's a testament to the boys and all the work they've done. But there's loads more to come.
You want to win the first game of the season, don't you? So, yeah, I was a bit disappointed with that. We just faltered in that final third. But fair play to Brickfield, that they dug in, they worked hard as a unit, they kept the shape really well, come away and got a point. And in this league, if you go away anywhere and get a point, it's a good job.